Okay, so let's talk about making money with AI. Um, who doesn't want to do that right? You sent us this podcast episode called Make Money with AI,
Hmm.
and it is packed with tools. Some of them are real hidden gems that maybe you haven't even heard of. We're talking way beyond, the usual suspects like ChatGPT.
Right. And what's really interesting is that a lot of these are what we would call niche AI tools.
Mm.
So they're really laser focused on very specific tasks, which can be incredibly powerful if you know how to use them.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what we're here to break down for you. We're going to break it all down by category. And let's start with how you can use AI to just supercharge your content creation.
I love this area because it's just exploding right now. We're
Yeah.
seeing just a huge wave of innovation in AI tools that are specifically designed to help people create better content faster.
Absolutely. So let's start with Descript. Now you might think, okay, it's a video editing tool, but it's so much more than that. Think about editing your videos like you edit a document in Word. Cutting, pasting, moving things around. It's that intuitive.
Yeah, what Descript does so brilliantly is it just makes the whole editing process so user-friendly, which is huge because when you think about it, that can be a massive time saver for you, especially if you're creating a lot of video content.
For sure, and time is money, right? Plus, it automatically transcribes your audio, and it has this feature called overdub that lets you seamlessly fix any little mistakes in your speech. So you can create these really polished, professional-sounding videos without having to be a pro at audio editing.
Right, it's like having your own personal audio engineer right there at your fingertips.
Exactly. Okay, next up we have Surfer SEO. If you're creating any kind of content that you want people to find online, you need to know about this tool. It's like having an SEO expert built right into your writing process.
I love this one. The cool thing about Surfer SEO is that it uses something called natural language processing, or NLP for short, to actually analyze what's already working for top-ranking content in your niche. And then as you're writing, it's giving you suggestions for keywords, structure, even content ideas.
So it takes all the guesswork out of SEO. You can literally watch your content climb the search rankings as you write.
And that means more organic traffic, more potential
Yes.
customers, ultimately more revenue for you.
Absolutely. Now, this next one I think is really mind-blowing. Imagine creating video content in multiple languages
Yeah.
without needing to hire voice actors or translators. Enter Synthesia.io.
Oh, this is a cool one.
Right.
Yeah, Synthesia.io is using AI to create these incredibly realistic video avatars that can speak any language that you want.
It's crazy you could choose from this library of diverse avatars. Customize their appearance, their voice, even their accents. Think about what you could do with that. You could create marketing videos, training materials, even educational content. That speaks directly to a global audience.
Yeah, the potential to scale your content and reach new markets is just huge with a tool like this. It's really taking video creation to a whole other level.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's wild. Okay, so now that we've seen how AI can help you create all this amazing content, let's talk about e-commerce. Whether you're running a full-fledged online store or just selling a few things on the side, these tools can really level up your operations.
Yeah, you know what's really exciting in the e-commerce space is how AI is being used to personalize the shopping experience. It's all about making sure that your customers feel seen and understood, which ultimately leads to, higher satisfaction and more sales.
Right, so first up we have Zyro AI Website Builder. If you've ever felt intimidated by building a website, Zyro is about to be your new best friend. Imagine this, you answer a few questions about your business, and Zyro uses AI to build a beautiful, fully functional website for you, complete with e-commerce capabilities.
It's amazing how AI is like democratizing technology like this. It used to be that you needed to know how to code or have a big budget to have a professional looking website. But now with these tools like Zero, anyone can do it.
And it's so easy to use. It helps you write compelling website copy, suggests layouts that are proven to convert visitors into customers.
It takes all the headache out of building a website and lets you focus on, what you do best, running your business.
Exactly. All right, so you've got your website up and running. Now you need to make sure that those product descriptions are doing their job and enticing people to hit that buy now button. That's where Writesonic comes in.
Yes. Writesonic, a copywriter's dream. This tool uses AI to generate really persuasive product descriptions that highlight all the key features and benefits, and you can even customize the tone of voice to match your brand perfectly.
Yeah, imagine creating hundreds of unique, compelling product descriptions. in a matter of minutes.
It would take you forever to do that manually.
Wow.
And the quality is really impressive. I mean, Writesonic's AI has been trained on a massive data set of high-performing copy. So you know that the descriptions it generates are actually going to resonate with your target audience.
Totally. So let's talk about a tool now that can create that wow factor for your customers. View.ai, it takes personalization to a whole new level by using AI to analyze your customers' behavior and recommend products they're actually likely to love.
So it's going beyond just, basic recommendations. It takes into account things like their browsing history, past purchases, even the way that they interact with your website to create this truly tailored shopping experience.
It's like having a personal stylist for each of your customers, which
Yeah.
means happier customers, higher conversion rates, more sales.
It's a win-win for everyone.
Absolutely. Okay, ready to jump into the world of marketing and social media?
Oh, yeah. This is where it gets fun.
I know, right?
AI is really changing the game in this space.
For sure.
And we've got some really powerful tools to share.
Okay, so first up we have adcreative.ai. If you've ever struggled with creating effective ad campaigns, this tool is about to make your life a whole lot easier.
Definitely. AdCreative.ai takes all the guesswork out of advertising. It uses AI to generate these high-performing ad creatives. Think images, headlines copy that are specifically tailored to your target audience and optimized for platforms like Facebook and Google Ads.
And here's the really cool part. It uses machine learning to predict which versions of your ads are going to perform the best. That means you can spend your advertising budget more strategically and get a better return on your investment.
It's like having your own data scientist on your marketing team, analyzing all those trends and patterns to make sure that your ads are hitting the mark.
I love it. Okay, let's talk social media management.
Yeah.
Trying to keep up with all the platforms and the trends can feel like a full-time job, but Predis.ai can be a real lifesaver.
Yeah, Predis.ai is like having a virtual social media manager right there at your fingertips. It helps you with scheduling posts, analyzing your competitors, identifying trending topics, even suggests content ideas for you.
It's amazing. It really takes the stress out of social media. Allows you to focus on creating engaging content and building relationships with your followers.
And it's constantly learning and adapting. So you know that your social media strategy is always going to be aligned with the latest trends and best practices.
Love that. Okay, last one for this category, and this is specifically for influencers out there. For AI. Now, if you're an influencer, you know that negotiating collaborations with brands can be a little bit of a black box. 4AI brings some much-needed transparency to the process.
It does, and this is so important. So 4AI connects influencers with brands, but it also does something really cool. It uses AI to actually calculate the value of potential collaborations.
That's huge. It's like having an objective third party. Assess the worth of your audience and the reach of your campaigns. This makes negotiations so much fairer and more transparent for both influencers and brands.
It's about time that we have, data-driven insights in the influencer marketing world. It's really helping to level the playing field and create a more professional and sustainable ecosystem.
For sure. I mean, wow, we've covered so much today.
I know.
It feels like we've only just scratched the surface of what's possible with AI.
And that's what's so exciting, right? The pace of innovation in this space is incredible. Like, new tools and applications are emerging all the time.
All the time, yeah. It's like a whole new world is opening up, and these niche AI tools are making it accessible to everybody, not just the big tech giants or whatever.
Exactly, and you don't even need to be a tech expert to use them. These tools are being designed to be so user-friendly and intuitive.
So easy. So to you listening out there, if you've been even a little bit curious about AI but weren't sure where to start, I hope this deep dive has at least given you a sense of what's possible.
Yeah, we've really only touched on a few examples here. There are so many more incredible AI tools out there and more being developed every day.
It really is kind of mind-blowing when you think about it. What are you
This-
most excited to see develop in the AI space?
Oh, that's a great question. I'm really fascinated by the potential of AI to personalize education
Hmm.
and just make learning more engaging and effective for everyone. Like, imagine having AI tutors that can adapt to each student's individual needs and learning styles.
Whoa, that would be incredible.
Right.
That would be a game changer for sure.
And it's not just about education. AI has the potential to revolutionize so many things. Healthcare, transportation, entertainment.
Yeah.
Pretty much every aspect of our lives.
It's really all about using technology to solve problems and create a better future.
Couldn't agree more. So if you're feeling inspired to explore the world of AI, where would you recommend people start?
I would say the best way to learn is by doing. choose a tool that interests you and just give it a try. There's so many free trials and freemium options available, so you can really experiment without breaking the bank.
Yeah, that's a great point.
Yeah.
And don't be afraid to ask for help, right? There are tons of resources online. And these great communities where you can connect with other AI enthusiasts and get your questions answered.
Yeah, the AI community is so welcoming and supportive. Everyone's learning together.
That's awesome. Well, we have reached the end of our deep dive. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey into the world of niche AI tools for revenue generation.
It's been a pleasure.
And to all of you listening, we hope you've gained some valuable knowledge today. Maybe even discovered a few tools that you can use to boost your business or your career. Remember, the future is here, and it's powered by AI. So embrace the possibilities, stay curious, and keep diving deep.